Hi, good morning. I'm from Malaysia. I arrived here on Saturday night. The security is very tight. The immigration is actually very fast. We took the bus out to the car park and then was picked up by the tour. And yeah, so far the journey has been very good for this past few days. When travel up to the northern, then Sri Lanka side. No doubt the hotel business I think is very bad. There's like 7 room or 100 room. There are a lot of people. Like yesterday when we stayed in Kawa here, we are the only guests. it's very sad. But the place here is so far very safe and very nice. This temple is very nice. It's just quite crowded. I think security is very tight right now. They check very good. I think it should be this way. I like the nature here. It's very beautiful. Places is very nice, friendly. I think people should give opportunity for you to recover and come back and visit this country. Currently with I think with the army and the police who are doing a lot of security check, basically it's pretty secure to travel in Sri Lanka, I would say. I've been here for the last 3 to 4 days. I kind of like it here. It's beautiful. Thank you.